Hey everyone, and welcome to another NPD tailoring video where we teach you the basics of cutting and sewing Asian attire. Today's topic is making a sleeved dress sleeveless. This is the dress we're working on, and we are going to start by unpicking the sleeves. The armhole also needs lowering, which is why I'm measuring here and cutting off the excess to lower the armhole. Next, you want to take your bias tape. I will be showing how to make your own bias tape in another video. You want to put the right side of the bias tape against the right side of the armhole edge, and then stitch at the seam allowance. I recommend using 1 cm seam allowance or ½ inch. Once this has been stitched, you want to fold the bias tape over to the wrong side, fold once so that the edge of the bias tape meets the stitching, and fold again so it disappears onto the wrong side. I advise that you keep 4 to 5 cm width when making or buying your bias tape. This part is fiddly and may take a few tries. This is what it should look like, and you want to go ahead and hand stitch all the way around. If you would like a tutorial on how to hand stitch correctly, then let me know in the comments. Do pin the bias tape in place so that it makes it easier for stitching, and this is what the final result should look like, from the inside neat and tidy, and also the outside. This garment is now ready to be packed and shipped off to the client, who is based in London. Yes, you don't have to be in the same area as us if you would like to place an order of alteration or stitching. Comment if you are interested and we'll be in touch, and please like this video and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.